Here is how to permanently disable or remove the Windows Defender. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open the registry editor. Go ahead and search for registry editor on the search bar and hit enter to open it. Now navigate to the H key local machine. Once you find that section, tap on it and expand it. Then expand software and scroll down and expand policies. Click on Microsoft and finally click on Windows Defender. On the right side, right click and then tap on New. Then select DWORD 32-bit value. Name the new value as Disable Anti-Spyware and right click on that file and select Modify, and in the Modify window, choose hexadecimal. Select the value data to 1 and click on OK and restart your computer. Windows Defender should now be disabled. If you have any questions or topic suggestions, leave a comment below. And if this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.